Testing, 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 test, test, test.
Here we go. Let's get it. Spring break, no parents. Toodaloo. Talk life. The hell? Synth. Woo! Man, it's gonna be crazy. Freestyle. What's today? Friday? Should be. Super good, and I got my blenders on, but I actually sit over there, cause I'm all home alone, and ain't nobody looking at me right now, because I'm all by myself. Hello, how you doing? And what's your name? Can I give you a hug, maybe a handshake? You are my friend, even though I don't know you. This is what we're doing, and I'm going to show you my crew now, and we gon' get down. Hello, Ken in 5D, how are you doing it now? Ooh, that resolution so juicy. I want you to introduce me. Hello, this is just what I'm doing. Instead of going to work, I need to make some more money. Oh my God, this struggle's so real, it hurts. What did I say? Should I post this on my face? Open the book, extreme survival. What are we doing? Oh my God, it's rival. I'm gonna lose it. That's what I said. Finding safe water instead. I need a drink. I need some juice. I need something to be induced. Listen, what are you saying? Where are you going? What are you playing? And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'd do without you, without all you. I love all you. Just wanna say it. I feel so good. Just wanna tell everybody how much I love them. And I wanna hug the out of you. Ha! Just wanna give a hug to everybody around me. Is that up? Did I just censor myself? Maybe I did. But that just makes me another part of a crazy kid. Killer, robber, just what I do. I bark like a dog in the middle of the zoo. I'm a monster, a bear. I'm an alligator eating with hella teeth in my mouth. Need toothbrushes for days. Give me more toothbrushes for days. Turn up, turn up. I got more fucking problems than you have ever seen. Why do you call me? I ain't your friend, just kidding. Let's go outside and play. This ain't what the fuck they talking about, I'm gonna get it. This what I'm gonna do and I'm never gonna forget it. Looking at you right in your eyes and now I'm living. You gotta live for today and quit all the worrying. Hello, what's your name is? Baby, you wanna be famous. I've been just ruining this thing, so you know that I'm crazy. And I keep getting going, I change my voice like this. That choice is nothing that I could hide inside my dreams. Living and chilling and doing exactly what I want. Sitting on this boat and nobody know how much fun. I'm jumping off and I'm eating champagne. I'm drinking hella liquor and I can't stop, man. And I'm doing what I want to. So all my crew should come over later. Come over. Let's all jump off the